Hello students, today we are going to solve practice set 6.6 of a 10th standard maths part first algebra, in that chapter number 6 statistics. Okay, today we are going to learn pie diagram. Okay, see, main terms related to pie diagram are, one is central angle, another is sector. Okay, in this pie diagram the values of items are presented by a sector of a circle, and this sector of a circle resembles the slices of a pie. Okay, so that is why this is called pie diagram. Pie is a sweet dish, you must be knowing. Slices, no, there looks like a sector, so it is called a pie diagram. We can't call it as a pizza diagram. Pizza slices also looks like, no, same sector, like, no. So in this in practice at 6.6, data will be given. Okay, see, this is here question number 1. This is question number 1. Data will be given. The table will have 3 columns. First one, age group, that is class, like class. Second column is like a frequency. Third column is measure of central angle, measure of central angle. So we have to find out, see, for this we have to find out the total of this value, number of second value, no, total frequency we have to find out. Then we have to find out the measure of central angle. So to find out measure of central angle, this is value of items. This is given, no, value of these items divided by total value. Okay, total value multiplied by 360. 360 is a circle, measure of a whole circle is a 360 degree, no. So means, see, here it is individual item, value of individual item divided by total value multiplied by 360, that gives a central angle. So we have to find out central angle for each item. Okay, then we have to draw one circle, preferably radius of 3 to 4 centimeter, and then we have to show in a pie diagram. It is called pie diagram. Let's understand while solving all these questions. So first question is, the age group and the number of persons who donated blood donation camp is given below. Draw a pie diagram. First question. So age group, first column shows age group in years. Okay, second column shows number of persons. See, 80 people of age 20 to 25. Okay, then 60 people of 25 to 30, they have donated blood. 25 to 30 age group. Okay, so first we have to write the given data. First column we have to write the given data. This is 20 to 25, then 25 to 30, see, age group. Second column the same, number of persons. Third one is measure of central angle. This is like class, no, class. This is like frequency. This is, we have to find out 25 to 30, 30 to 35, 35 to 40, 35 to 40. Now number of persons, 80, 60, 35 and 25. This total, see, I'll made here, total will be, see, total is 5, 5, 10, 1 carry, 9, 15, 18, 20. This is 200. So central angle we have to find out. How to find out central angle? See, value of each item. See, for this value of each item, see, this is, I'll take one paper. See, this is, see, 80. This is total is 200, no, total is 200. Out of 200, 80 multiplied by 360 degree. We have to find out the central angle. This is central angle. Okay, central angle. So 0, 0 gone. This 0 gone. 2 ones are, 2 fours are. So 12, 13, 14, 144. See, this is 144. So right here, see, this is 80 by 200 multiplied by 360. That is 144 degree. This is central angle. Okay. Second one, we have to find out of 200. See, this is total. This is total. Okay. Out of 200, 60 people. 60 people for 360, how much? So we have to find out central angle. 0, 0 gone. This 0 gone. 2 ones are, 2 threes are. Okay. 2 threes are. Multiplied by 3, 36 multiplied by 3. Or not, 108. So 60 by 200 multiplied by 360. That is 108 degree. Now third one is 35 out of 200 for 360. We have to find out here 35 out of 200 for 360. 0 0 gone. Okay, then 5 sevens are 4s are 4 ones are 9s are 63. This is 63 degree. Now 25 out of 200 for 360. See, 25 out of 200 multiplied by 360. 0 0 gone. Now 5 5s are 5 4s are 4 1s are 9 times 45 degree. 45 degree. Then over 200. So these 4. Now we have to draw one circle, preferably radius of 3 to 4 centimeter. Okay, let's draw one circle. See, here is a circle. So before that, see, let us check whether it is our calculations are right or wrong. It has to come 360 degree. 4 8 8 4 12 12 15 20 2 carry 6 12 12 plus 4. No, see, 2 2 8 4 12 12 plus 3 is 15 20 2 carry 6 6 6 12 4 6 1 carry 3 360. Okay, means our calculation is right. See, now here is a circle. Draw one one radius, like, see here, like this, like this type. Draw like this from the center. Okay, now you have to take a protractor. We have a central angle here. First we have to draw 144 for age group 20 to 25. Age group 144. Take a protractor. Keep your protractor exactly on the this line has to come center, and this line has to coincide with the this radius we have no. So we have to see. Okay. Okay, see, now 144. Start from here. 144. You can't start from here. See, two type of measurements are there. So 144. This is 90, 80, 90, 100, 110, 20, 144. See, it comes here. This is 145. This is 144. Exact measurement accuracy is very important, because see, this line you have to join from the center. No, this is center. See, till here you can draw. See, this dot is here. Okay, this is 144 degree, and this is for age group. Which age group? Age group 20 to 25. Okay, this is age group 20 to 25. Then like this, keep your protractor like this. Now second one is 108, like this, just on the center, and let the line, this line of a protractor coincide with the radius. Okay, radius of a circle, like this. Now 108. Start from here. This is 90. 100. This is 105. Okay, 5 6 7 8. Here, this is a point. Okay, this is a point. Draw a line. Alright. Okay, till here only. 108. See, this is 108. Age group 25 to 30. 25 to 30. Then see, like this, take this radius and then keep a protractor. 108 is over. Now 63 degree. 50, 60, 60, 61, 62, 63 is here. 63. Okay, 63. This is 63 degree. Now remaining is 45 degree. Whether it comes 45 degree or not. Let's check. Okay. Wait. Slight 46 it's coming. 46. Slight difference is there. Okay. Accuracy is very important so that you will know, come to know. This is 45 degree, right? 45 degree. Okay. Age group. This is 45. 45 is 35 to 40. 35 to 40. And this age group is for 63. For 63, 30 to 35. 30 to 35. Only this much you have to do. Very easy. 4 marks question. Scoring one. Okay. And you have to rub it out. See this extra portion. Okay. Only inside the circle only. Okay. Only this much you have to do. Very easy, no? Now second question. The marks obtained by a student in different subjects are shown. Draw a pie diagram showing the information. See, this is the given data. Subjects English, Marathi, Science, Mathematics, Social Science and Hindi. And marks obtained is given. See, this first column is like a class. Second column is like a frequency. Okay, so we have to write from the given data this table, right, of subjects English first. English, Marathi, Science, Mathematics, Social Science and Hindi. Then marks 50, 70, 80, 90, 60, 50. We have to take the total of this 0. Okay, 0. Then 7, 5, 7, 3, 10, 12. 12 is here. 20, 29, 29, 35, 40. Okay, 40. 400. Total is 400. Now we have to find out the measure of a central angle. How to find out measure of a central angle? Out of 400, see first one, out of 400, 50 out of 400. Okay, 50 out of 400. For central angle we have to find out 360. No, see, for 50 out of 400, 360. This 0 gone. 4 ones are 4 nines are. This is 45 degree. This is 45 degree. Second one, 70 out of 400 multiplied by 360. 70, 400, 360. Okay, 0, 0, this 0, this 0. 9 times. This is 63. This is now 80. 80 out of 400. How much for 360? 0, 0, 0, 0. 4 ones are. I did only here only. Okay. See this. Wait. 80 out of 400 multiplied by 360. 0, 0. This 0, this 0. 4 ones are 4 twos are. Okay, twos are. This is 72. This is 72 degree. Here it is 90 out of 400 for 360. 90 out of 400, 360. 0, 0, 0, 0. 4 nines are. So 9 nines are 81. Okay, 81. Then 60 out of 400 for 360. 0, 0, 0, 0. 4 ones are, 4 nines are. 54. Okay, then here it is 50 out of 400 for 360. 0 gone, 0 gone. 4 again 45 degree. Okay, that's it. We'll make the total of this. 360 has to come. 5, 3, 8, 10, 10, 11, 15, 20. 2 carry. 6, 6, 12, 12, 19, 19, 27, 27, 32, 36. 360 degree. Now we have to draw one circle. Here is a circle. Draw one radius. let this be here only, otherwise we can draw like this also, slight to show, see, from here, this, okay, this should be like this. Then now keep a protractor on this. See, this line, the center has to coincide with the circle we have drawn. First one is 45 degree. See, here it is 45 degree. Okay, draw. This is 45 degree. We'll write here 45 degree. Let's write English. Okay, English. This is English. Okay, now keep a protractor like this. Now second one is 63 degree. Okay, 63, 60, 61, 62, 63 here. This is 64, this is 63. Okay, so 63 degree. This is English, Marathi. This is Marathi. Let's write like this, Marathi. Now keep your protractor exactly on a line. Okay, see, this is the center, this is the center, and this is a line of a protractor, and this is a line of a circle. Next one is 72, 70, this is 70, 71, 7, see, okay, this is 70, 70, 71, 72, this is 72. Okay, 72. Marathi has got over. Now science. This is science. Science. Now keep your protractor on this. This is the line. Now 72, 81. 81. Yeah. Mathematics is 81. 81. 81. 81. This is mathematics. Mathematics. Now like this only keep, so that will not make mistake. Let the center and the line coincide. Okay, now mathematics is got over. Now social science. Social science 54. Social science 54. 54. 54. 54. Okay, this is mathematics, social science. Remaining is Hindi. This is 45 degree. This is Hindi. So that, let's check 45 comes, whether it is 45 or not. See, slight 43 43 is coming. Okay, so this is a pie diagram. Okay, third question is, in a tree plantation program, the number of trees planted by students of different classes is given in the following table. Draw a pie diagram showing the information. Standard, here first column shows the classes, standard. Second column shows number of trees. Fifth class students, plantation, 40 trees they planted. Sixth standard students, 50 trees. Seventh, in this way. Okay, so this is a table. So we have to write, this is a class, 5th, 6th, 7th. Just we have to write the given data. This is 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, and this is 10th standard students. How many they planted? 5th standard students planted 40 trees. 6th standard students planted 50, then 75. Okay, 40, 50, 75, then 50, then 70, then 75. We have to take the total of this. 5, 5, 10. Okay, one carry, this 10, 17, 22, 29, 38. No, sorry, 5, 5, 10, one carry, so 10, 10, 17, 17, 3, 20, 22, 22, 7, 29, 29, 1, 30, 36, 36, 360. Total is 360. Now we have to find out the measure of central angle. This out of 40, 40 out of 360 multiplied by 360. What is the answer? 40 only, no? This is 40 here only. Directly you can. This is very easy one. Now 50 out of 360. For 360, how much? 50. No? Same. Again, see, same. 75 out of 360. For 360, how much? That is 75 only. 50 out of 360. For 360, how much? That is 50. Then 70 out of 360. For 360. This 360 is central angle measure of a whole circle. This 360 is this total. Okay, so this is 70. Then 75 out of 360 for 360 is 75. Then we'll write 5, 5. Let's see, 5, 5, 0, 1 carry, 10, same 360 will come on, same 360 will come. So here we have to take one line first. Okay, let this be. Then keep your protractor. Where's the protractor? So keep your protractor on the center, and this line should coincide with the line of a circle. Now 40 degree. This is 40. Okay, 40. Join the point with the center of the circle. This is 40. This is a 5th standard. 5th standard. Okay, then keep your protractor on that line, and now 50 degree. Second one is 50 degree. Join this. $50 degree. This is 6th standard. 6th standard. Then 50 degree. Then 75 degree. 75. 75 degree. This is 75 degree. Join this. 75 degree. 50 degree, 75 degree is 7th standard. 7th standard. Then now 8th standard. 8th standard is 50. 8th standard 50 degree. Eighth standard is 50. 8th standard. Similarly, now 9th standard. For 9th standard is 70. Ninth standard. Now 10th standard is 75. Has to come 75. Yeah. See, exactly 75 is coming. So this is 70. 8th, this is 9th standard. 9th standard. And 10th standard is 75. This is 75 degree. Okay. So this extra line you have to rub it out. Okay. So this is a pie diagram. Very easy. No, very easy. And scoring 4 marks. Question number 4. The following table shows the percentage of demands for different fruits registered with the fruit vendor. Show the information by a pie diagram. First column shows fruits. Second column shows a percentage of demand. First column shows mango, sweet lime, apples, chiku, oranges. Second, like a frequency, this is 30, 15, 25, 20 and 10. Make a total of this 30, 15, 25, 20 and 10. So 5, 5, 10, 1 carry, 4, 5, 7, 9, no, 10, 1 carry, 4, 5, 7, 7, 2, 9 and 10. 100. Okay, now we have to find out central angle. Out of 100, 30 out of 100. 30 out of 100 for 360. How much we have to find out? 0, this 0 gone, this 0 gone. Okay, 36 multiplied by 3. 108 degree. Then 15 out of 100 for 360. How much? 0, this 0 gone. Then see, 15 out of 100, 360, 0, 0, 5 3s are 5 2s are 2 1s are 2 8s are 36. No, 3 2 carry 54. This is 54. Okay, 54. This is 25 out of 100 multiplied by 360. 5 5s are 5 2s are 2 1s are 2 1s are 2 8s are. This is 90 degree. See, this is 25 out of 100 for 360. This is 90. 20 out of 100, 360. 20 out of 100, 360. 0, 0, 0, 0. 72. This is 72. This is 10 out of 100 multiplied by 360. 0, 0. This 10, this 10. 36. So 10 out of 100 for 360. This is 36. Yeah, 36. This is 8, 4, 12, 14, 20, 2 carry, here 2, 7, 14, 14, 6, 23, 26, 2, 1, 3, 360. No, it's right. Calculation is right. Now, take the protractor. Here's the circle. Draw line, any line. Take any one line. Anywhere you can take this line. Here, here, anywhere you can take. Now, keep your protractor. Measure 108 degree. 108 degree. This is 100, 105, 6, 7, 8. 8. This is mango. Okay, this is mango. Now keep your protractor exactly on the line. See this. Second one is 54 for sweet lime. 54. 54. So this is 54 for sweet lime. Sweet lime. Then 90. This is 90. This is 90. 94. See, this is 90 for apples. Sweet lime. Apples. Now keep your this thing 0 and here apples is 90. Then this is chiku. Chiku is 72. 7, 1 and 2. See, 72. See, this is 72 for chiku. And remaining is oranges. This is oranges. Let's see how much it comes. Where is it? Lot of difference. Okay. Oranges. Like that you have to draw. This is a pie diagram. Question number 5. The pie diagram in this figure shows the proportion of different workers in a town. Answer the following questions. See, here's the pie diagram. Okay, let's see the questions. If the total workers is 10,000, okay, total workers is 10,000. How many of them are in the field of construction? This is a construction. Second question is, how many workers are working in the administration? Then third question is, what is the percentage of workers in the production? See, here is the pie diagram. See here, the total number of workers are 10,000. Okay, see, here is the construction. Central angle is 72 degree. Here is the food, 48 degree. Agriculture, central angle is 24. Electricity, central angle is 18. Administration, 36 degree. Production, 90 degree. And hotel, 72 degree. Okay, means total number of workers is 10,000. We have to find out how many of them are in the field of construction. See, we have to find out the number of workers in the construction. Second question is number of workers in the administration. Third question is number of workers in the production. Then we have to find out the percentage that we know. So first let's write the total number of workers. See, the total number of workers total number of workers is 10,000. Okay, that's then we have to write the central angle for construction. central angle for construction. This is given, no, 72 degree. Okay, now we have to find out the question is how many of them are in the field of construction. Therefore, we have to find out the number of workers in the construction industry. Okay, number of workers in construction. Okay, construction industry, number of workers in construction industry that we have to find out. Okay, see, first of all, see here we know the one formula. See here in this, while drawing pie diagram, we used one formula, no, to find out central angle. How to find out central angle? See, each individual items we used to find out central angle, no, central angle. How to find out central angle? Central angle is here number of here, this is trees. For example, number of items, we can take items divided by total number, no, total number. See, this is total number multiplied by 360. This is the formula. This is the one formula we have to use. Okay, see, central angle that we used to find out by number of items out of total number. This is total number is 360. Multiplied with this 360 is measure of whole circle. Okay, see, number of items here, each item out of total number. Similarly here also the same thing we have to, this is a formula we have to, which is a formula? This is a central angle. This is central angle, that is here number of workers divided by total number of workers multiplied by 360. This is a pie diagram. This is 360 degree, measure of circle. Okay, total number of workers for each sector. Here is the concept. First question is how many of them are in the field of construction, that is here number of workers in construction. For second question, number of workers for administration. For similarly, number of workers for production. That we have this one we have to find out number of workers. Okay, so what will be the formula? This one formula. So now we have to see cross multiply. We have to cross that we know very well. Cross multiplication means, see, this is central angle. Central angle always theta, no, theta multiplied by total number of workers. Total number of workers equal to this number of workers in a construction multiplied by 360. This will become this way. So now we have to find out number of workers. We have to find out, see, this number of workers we have to find out. Therefore, this 360 will come to the denominator. So whole thing, see, this is equal sign, whole thing will come to the numerator, 360 will come to the denominator. Therefore, number of workers, this is the formula now. Number of workers in construction industry, okay, equal to, this is central angle, that is theta multiplied by total number divided by 360. This is the formula we have to use to find out number of workers. See, number of workers in construction industry, this formula we have to use. This is the formula. So we have to find out this number of workers. Number of workers is central angle, that's theta by 360 multiplied by total number of workers. Okay, so therefore we'll write here, therefore number of workers. Okay, therefore number of workers in construction industry, in construction is, here it is central angle. Okay, central angle here. Okay, central angle for construction. Okay, central angle for construction, multiplied by total number of workers. See, this is divided by 360. Okay, so now substitute the values. This is central angle. What is the central angle here? This is central angle of a construction. This is theta. Okay, that is 72 multiplied by total number of workers, 10,000. Okay, 10,000 divided by 360. This zero gone. Now 36 36 2 times 36 is 36 2 times 72. 36 1 time, 36 2 time. Therefore, here 1000 multiplied by 2. 2 zeros are 0, 2 zeros are 0, 2 zeros are 0, 2 ones are 2. 2000. What is this 2000? Number of workers in a construction industry. Okay. Therefore, we'll write the answer. Therefore, number of workers in construction industry is 2000. Okay. So this is the first question answer. Okay, see here it is first question answer. Now for second question now. How many workers are working in the administration? Okay, how many workers are working in the administration? Where is the administration? This is administration. See here, this is administration, 36 degree. Central angle is 36 degree. So we have to find out we have to find out number of workers in administration. Okay, therefore we'll write central angle for second question answer. Central angle, measure of central angle for administration or admin or for administration, that is theta is administration is 36 degree. So now we have to find out number of workers. Therefore, number of workers in administration, admin. So here we have to central angle, again central angle multiplied by, this is divided by, here it is multiplied by total number of workers, total number of workers divided by 360. Okay, so here it is central angle. What's the central angle here? 36 multiplied by total number, that is given 10,000 divided by 360. 0 0 gone, 36 gone. So 1000. 10,000, 1000. 1000 workers are in administration. Okay. Therefore, number of workers in administration is are. Therefore, number of workers in administration. And this administration is 1000. Okay. This is second question answer. Now, third question. See third question also. What is the percentage? Here we have to find a percentage. What is the percentage of workers in production? Here where it's production. See here it's the production. Central angle is 90 degree. So in the same way we have to, here also we have to find out number of workers in production. Okay. Therefore we'll write the central angle. Central angle for production. That is 90 degree. Therefore, we have to find out now number of workers. Therefore, number of workers in production industry, can say production industry. That is again central angle. Here it is central angle for production. Okay, here also see here it is also central angle for administration. Okay, central angle for administration, central angle for production multiplied by total number of workers divided by 360. That is central angle is 90 degree multiplied by, this is total number is 10,000 divided by 360. 0 0 gone. Okay, 4 time 9 4s are, then 4 1s are, here it is 4 2s are 8, 2 remain 20. Okay, yeah, 4 2s are, then 5, then 0. This is 2500. This is what? This is number of workers in production industries, 2500. This is not the question here. Here question is, what is the percentage of workers in production? See, this is 2500 out of 10,000. Total number of workers, no, total number of workers is 10,000. Out of 10,000, 2500 workers are for production industry. We have to find out the percentage now. Okay, therefore, percentage of, question is percentage of workers in production, percentage of workers in production industry, that is also, see, out of 10,000, see, out of 10,000, this is 2500 is production, total number of workers in production industry 2500. Okay, for 100 we have to find out percentage in 100, no? So this 0 gone. Okay, this 0 gone. So therefore 25%, this is 25%. Okay, so answer is, what to write answer? The percentage of workers in production is, therefore percentage of workers in production industry okay, let's, industry is 25%. Okay, easy, but you have to understand little. Okay, question number 6. The annual investments of a family are shown in the adjacent pie diagram. Answer the following questions based on it. Here is a pie diagram. Let's see the questions. If the investment in shares is rupees 2000, find the total investment. See, here is a pie diagram. See, this sector shows shares. Okay, and yeah, this sector shows 60 degree. This central angle for shares is 60 degree, and here the if the investment in shares, see, amount invested in shares is 2000 rupees. Okay, we have to find out the total investment. We have a formula. See, here is a formula, no? See, this is this one formula we have to remember. Okay, central angle, here number of workers divided by total number of workers multiplied by 360 means here what will be the our formula? This is central angle, here it is amount invested in shares. Okay, here first, here number of items comes denominator out of total, see, here it is out of this total, this here amount invested in shares. Okay, total amount here, then it is 360 degree multiplied by 360. This is the formula, no? We have to find out here this total amount invested, we have to find out. Okay, therefore solution is, first let's write amount invested in shares. Okay, okay, amount invested in shares is rupees 2000. We have to find out the total investment. Therefore, total investment. This with total investment that we have to find out. Let X be the total investment. Be the total amount invested. Okay, let X be the total amount invested. We don't know, with that we have to find out. Here central angle for shares, that is 60 degree. Okay, therefore we have to find out here total investment according to this formula. Central angle, this is number of normal formula. How the normal formula will come? Number of items divided by total number of items multiplied by 360. No, number of items divided by total number multiplied by 360. Here amount of invested This is one shares, no? So therefore, now we have to find out total. Therefore, total investment first we'll write this formula only. Central angle for shares, okay, equal to, here it is, amount invested in shares, amount invested in shares, amount invested in shares divided by total amount invested, total amount invested multiplied by 360, total amount invested multiplied by 360. Now we have to find out total amount. No, we have to find out the total amount. Therefore, this formula will be, therefore, total amount invested is total amount invested. See, cross multiplication. These two will come. See, here it is. This is total amount. This is cross multiplication. This one full. See how it, see, central angle multiplied by total amount, no, cross multiplication. Total amount invested equal to, here amount invested in shares, amount in shares, okay, shares multiplied by 360. This is how it comes. Now we have to find out this total. So this will goes to the numerator. Therefore, total amount invested, that is amount in shares, amount invested in shares multiplied by 360 divided by central angle. See, this formula will be like this, okay. Therefore, now total amount invested, that is amount invested in shares divided by total, amount invested in shares divided by, multiplied by 360. See, from here total amount you took, so amount multiplied by 360 divided by, here now central angle. Any confusion, do let me know in the comment section, okay, while writing this. See, I am writing this formula and again this formula because step by step you will understand, no, that's why I am writing like this. So amount invested in shares, see, amount invested in shares is 2000 multiplied by 360 divided by central angle is 60, okay. This zero gone, then 6 ones are 6 are 36. Answer is 6 zeros are 0, 6 zeros are 0, 6 zeros are 0, 6 twos are 12. What is this? This is total amount invested. Total amount invested. Total amount invested. This is total amount invested. See, here in this pie diagram, here it is shares, here it is immovable property, here it is a mutual fund, and this is deposit in bank. All together, total amount is 12,000. That is the first question. Total amount invested is 12,000. Now, first question is total amount, that is 12,000. Now, second question is, this is first question. Second question is, how much amount is deposited in bank? Here, bank, see here, bank. This is also very easy. See, central angle is 90 degree. Total we know, that is 12,000. Deposited in number of this amount invested in bank, that we have to find out. See, same formula. See, this is central, same formula. While you drawing pie diagram, we used to this formula. So central angle. Here we have to find out total number we know now 12,000. No, we have to find out amount invested in bank. This one we have to find out. This one we have to find out. Okay. While this we have to find out what will be the formula. Amount. See, amount invested in bank. In bank is, this will come to the numerator. See, central angle. Central angle multiplied by total. Divide by 360. Okay, see, second one. So second question, how much amount deposited in bank? Second question. Okay, so central angle for central angle for bank, central angle for bank, that is 90 degree. Okay, now we have to find out total, we know, therefore amount deposited in bank is this is central angle multiplied by total. Okay, total divided by 360. Central angle is 90 multiplied by total is 12,000 divided by 360. 0 gone, 9 ones are, okay, 4 ones are 4 3 time, 3,000. Amount deposited in bank is 3,000. This is 3,000. Therefore answer is, the amount deposited in bank is amount deposited in bank is rupees 3,000. Okay. Now third question is, how much more money is invested in immovable property than the mutual fund? Here it is immovable property and mutual fund. Central angle is 120 degree, here it is 60 degree. So we have to find out amount. See, amount invested in immovable property we have to find out. Then amount invested in mutual fund you have to separately find out. Then we can say which one is more. We can say how much more money is invested in immovable. So we can say, then we can say more. Therefore third question. So first let's find out immovable property. Therefore the central angle for immovable property, immovable property is central angle from 120 degree. Therefore total we know, amount invested in immovable property. Therefore amount invested in immovable property that we have to find out first. Okay, for that we know this formula, central angle. See this here, central angle is amount invested in here. See, central angle is amount invested in immovable property. Now see, this is central angle is here, numerator amount invested in immovable property divided by total amount multiplied by 360. We have to find out now amount invested in this. So this will come to the numerator and 360 will come to the denominator. Okay. Therefore amount invested in immovable property is central angle. Okay, central angle multiplied by total divided by 360. Yeah, 360. Okay, central angle is 120 multiplied by total is 12. No, 12. Yeah, total is 12,000 divided by 360. So this 0 gone. Now here 6 6 is 36, 6 2 is 12, then 6 1 is 6 2 is 12. So 20 multiplied by 2000 is, this is 20 is 0 is 0, 20 is 0 is 0, 22 is 40, 4000. This is amount immovable property, amount invested in immovable property. This is amount invested in immovable property. Okay, this is rupees. This is rupees 4,000. Now we have to find out amount invested in mutual fund. Second question. Second one is, now we have to find out amount central. Now, therefore, this is, let this be like this only. Now central angle for mutual fund. Central angle for mutual fund is 60 degree. Okay, 60 degree. Therefore, amount invested in mutual fund. Therefore, amount invested in mutual fund is central angle multiplied by total divided by 360. That is, central angle is 60 multiplied by 12,000 total divided by 360. 0, 0, 6 ones are 6, 6 are 36, 6 ones are 6 twos are 12. So 2,000. This is 2,000. See, this is amount invested in this is amount invested in mutual fund. That is rupees. This is rupees 2,000. So now we can answer how much more money is invested in immovable property. That is, how much more money. This is in immovable property 4,000. So this is invested in mutual fund is 2,000. Therefore, 2,000 more 2,000 money is invested in immovable property. How much more money is invested in immovable property? This is 2,000 more 2,000 money is invested in immovable property. That will be the answer. So let's write the answer. So rupees 2,000 more money is invested in immovable property. In immovable property than in mutual fund. Okay, this is the answer for third sub question. Okay, now fourth question is, how much amount is invested in post? See, fourth question, post. Where is post? See, post is here. This is post. Here we have to find out the amount invested in post. We have to find out. For that, central angle is 30. Central angle for post is 30 degree. Therefore, we have to find out how much amount is invested in post. Therefore, amount invested in post. Therefore, the amount invested in post is central angle equal to central angle multiplied by central angle for post. Okay, central angle for post multiplied by total divided by 360. Okay, so central angle is 30 multiplied by total is 12,000 divided by 360. 0, this 0. Okay, 3 ones are 3 twos are 3 twos are 6. Then here it is 12 ones are, here it is 12 ones are 1,000. Answer is 1,000. This is amount invested in post. This is rupees. Therefore, answer is amount invested in post. Therefore, amount invested in post is rupees 1,000. Okay. So this is the answer for question number 6. Okay, see, this is the first question, sub question. This is second, this is third, then this is fourth. But very easy. So how did you find this explanation? Do let me know in the comment section. Okay, so students, this problem set 6.6 has got over. Okay, if you have any doubt, any confusion, any suggestions, do let me know in the comment section. Also, don't forget to subscribe my channel if you're watching my video for the first time. Also, like and share with your friends and classmates, and all those who need it. For them, you have to share and share. Okay, so in my next video, I will start miscellaneous problem set 6. Okay, so till then, okay then, bye.